Hello students, welcome to chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss the chapter solutions. So solution is a homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. So here we are taking example of salt and water. Salt will act as a solute and water will act as a solvent, and mixture of salt and water is known as solution. Next is your types of solution. Depending upon the dissolution of solute in the solvent, solution can be categorized into supersaturated, unsaturated and saturated solution. A supersaturated solution comprises a large amount of solute at a temperature where it will be reduced. As a result, the extra solute will crystallize quickly. An unsaturated solution is a solution in which a solvent is capable of dissolving more solute at a given temperature. A saturated solution can be defined as a solution in which a solvent is not capable of dissolving more solute at a given temperature. Next is your concentration unit of solution. We are having different type of concentration unit of solution. So that are molarity denoted by capital M, molality denoted by small m, mole fraction denoted by capital X, normality denoted by N, mass percentage and parts per million. So the first concentration unit we are going to discuss here is molarity, which is denoted by capital M. The molarity of a solution is the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. So molarity is denoted by capital M and equals to mole of solute by liters of solution, and moles of solute is equal to weight of substance divided by molecular mass. So how to calculate the molarity of solution? These are the steps which we are going to use when we had to solve the numericals based on molarity. The first thing is calculate the molar mass of solute. So here we have taken example of NaOH. How to calculate the molar mass of NaOH? For that, molar mass of sodium added to molar mass of oxygen and molar mass of hydrogen, which will be 23 plus 16 plus 1 is equal to 40. Next is how to calculate the moles. Moles equal to weight of substance divided by molecular mass. Next, find the volume of solution, and the volume should be in liters. And finally, we are going to use the formula of molarity, that is moles of solute upon liters of solution. So here we are going to discuss first numerical based on molarity. Calculate the molarity of NaOH in the solution prepared by dissolving its 4 gram in enough water to form 250 ml of solution. Here we are having mixture of NaOH and water. NaOH will act as a solute and water will act as a solvent. So first thing we are going to do here, calculating the molar mass of NaOH that we have done in the previous slide, that is equal to 40 gram. So molecular mass of NaOH is 40 gram. Weight of NaOH is given to you in the numerical, that is 4 gram, and volume of solution is given 250 ml. So molarity is equal to W upon M into 1000 upon V. Here W is weight of NaOH, M is molecular mass of NaOH and V is volume. So by putting all the values, we are getting answer 0.4 mole per liter, or it can be written as 0.4 molar. The next numerical that we are going to discuss is calculate the molarity of 2% M by V glucose solution. M by V means here mass by volume, and 2% means that 2 gram of glucose is dissolved in 100 ml of water. So first of all, we are going to calculate the molar mass of glucose, that is 180 gram, and M is equal to W by M into 1000 upon V. W is 2 gram, M is 180 into 1000 upon 100. So molarity is 1 by 9. So the next numerical, give the volume of solution if 10 gram NaOH, 1 by 20 molar NaOH solution is present. It means here we had to calculate volume. We are going to find V in this numerical. You are provided with 10 gram NaOH. 10 gram is weight of NaOH and molecular mass of NaOH we have calculated in the first numerical, that is 40 gram, and 1 by 20 is molarity of NaOH. So by putting the values in the formula, that is M is equal to W by M into 1000 upon V. Capital M, molarity is given to us, that is 1 by 20. Weight is given 10 gram and we have calculated the molecular mass of NaOH, that is 40 into 1000 upon V. So V is equal to 5000 ml, and I have already told you that your molarity should be in liters. So volume is equal to 5 liter. Beta, practice more numerical based on molarity. Solve the board question which are related to this topic. So thank you for today.